If you're looking for a device that combines power, lightness, and fast performance, let me introduce you today to this beautiful device. Today we have the iPad Air M4, 11 inches in size with a capacity of 256 gigabytes. The first thing that catches attention is the light and elegant design that allows you to take it anywhere, whether for study, work, or content creation. Let's unbox it together. The device is equipped with Apple's new M4 processor, which offers very strong performance in editing, design, and photo and video editing. The device is equipped with Apple's new M4 processor, which offers very strong performance in editing, design, photo and video editing, and running heavy applications smoothly. A fantastic screen with clear colors and beautiful details gives you an enjoyable experience in watching content and daily work. With a capacity of 256 gigabytes, it provides excellent space for storing your files, photos, and videos without worrying about storage. Of course, it comes with a Type-C cable and charger in the box. A catalog of usage instructions and specific information about the device. If you are a content creator, a student, or even someone looking for a practical and powerful device, honestly, this is one of the best options available right now. Before you use the iPad, you need to protect your investment from day one. Today, we have the HK Slim case with a glass screen protector in one package. The case has a slim and elegant design that maintains the iPad's appearance without adding annoying weight. It supports the automatic on and off feature as soon as you open or close the cover. It also has a dedicated space for the Apple Pencil and multiple angles for standing, whether for watching, studying, or working. The case has a slim and elegant design that maintains the shape of the iPad without adding annoying weight. Of course, the back of the case is plastic to show the color of the device, and it supports the auto on-off feature. If you open it like this, the iPad will turn on, and when you close it like this, the iPad will turn off. There is also a dedicated space for the pen and multiple angles for standing, whether for washing, studying, or daily use. As for the glass protector, it is high quality, made from 9H tempered glass, scratch resistant for daily use, providing complete protection for the device and screen in one product. If you have an iPad Air and are looking for practical and stylish protection, this product is worth trying. What do you think of the iPad Air M4? Is it worth buying? Share your opinions with me, and if you have this device, let me know what cool features it has.